There is a poison so deadly that just a tiny grain of it can kill a person, and scientists say it's 1,000 times more dangerous than cyanide. Its name is ricin, a silent killer with no known antidote. Ricin is a natural poison that comes from the seed of the castor oil plant, the same plant used to make castor oil. Surprising, right? Something that gives us medicine can also create one of the deadliest toxins on earth. When the oil is extracted from castor beans, the leftover waste contains ricin, a highly toxic substance. Ricin works by blocking the body's ability to make proteins. And without proteins, your body cells stop working and die. That means your organ, like liver, kidneys, and heart, start to shut down, one by one. Even a tiny amount can be fatal. Imagine just a few grains of salt worth of ricin can kill an adult within 36 to 72 hours. Ricin can enter the body in three ways. First, inhale as a powder or mist. Second, swallowed in food or drink. Third, injected directly into the body. Once it is inside, there is no specific antidote. Doctors can only try to support the organs until the poison wears off. But in most cases, it's too late. Ricin has been used in assassinations and terror plots. The most famous case was in 1978, when a journalist was killed in London using a tiny umbrella gun that shot a ricin pellet into his leg. Even today, authorities sometimes find ricin being developed illegally in labs or sent through mail as a bioterror threat. But the question is it so easily available? The answer is no. Making pure ricin requires advanced knowledge of chemistry. But because castor beans are common, there is always a risk of misuse. That's why it's strictly banned under international law. Ricin may sound like something from a spy movie, but it's real and extremely dangerous. Nature gives us both medicine and poison. It all depends on how we use it. So stay curious, stay aware, and remember, not everything natural is safe. Thank you.